Good morning. Welcome back. Not you. We are on another quest. We're sitting on the side of the highway in an underpass because it's raining, and I've got the tow dolly behind us on the truck, but I aired the tires all the way down to see if that would help with the tow dolly. It wants to wiggle so badly when we drive it unloaded. It's pretty common on tow dollies. This one also has a foldable tongue for the hitch. So that pivot point is where there's a lot of slack, and I think that's making it worse. But I'm basically airing the tires back up with my little Ryobi pump. I didn't want to do it in the rain. Hunter had a good idea to park under the underpass. So we're sitting doing that. I'll take you out there and show you what I did to try to take some of the slop out of the trailer. To the highway. Basically, if you can hear me, right here is where a lot of the slack is. This point, it's got a lot of play and wiggle. Now I wrapped an aluminum can that I cut in half around the pin and shoved it in there. So that's taken up some of the slack, and I'm hoping it's gonna ride straighter. But otherwise, we'll probably just wiggle our way down the highway.
We made it to Glendo, Wyoming. Pretty cool property. Miles is helping the guy selling us the Blazers loader transmission up for someone else who's buying something today, sitting on a gold mine. Said he goes to auctions and just usually buys two of whatever he sees that day that he likes. So pretty cool. We're out here getting a BOGO deal, which is pretty awesome. So I'll take you to the Blazers so we can check them out. Here is the first one. Nice badges still intact. He said that these were full-size Jeep wheels that he changed onto them. It's kind of cool. Inside condition. Back seat. Windows in the back are tinted, which is pretty nice. This would be a good one for camping in. We'll go off to the field to see the other one. Tone paint. Miles was grabbing the seats. So this is the condition of this one. Comes with a free cooler. It's sick. Windows are not tinted in this one, but here we go. Oh, that might have broke something. I won't tell if you don't tell. Oh, pretty cool. Let's hope we make them both home. Very cool find in the lot. There's also a Ford Bronco 2 over there. Can you see it? Maybe we should go take a closer look. What do you think? My goodness, she's so cute. I told Miles maybe we should get this one. Maybe we'll be back tomorrow. Oh, keys are still in the ignition. So adorable. Oh my gosh, look at the interior. Looks like it's in pretty good condition. Can't really see the back seat through the window. I don't want to She is cute. Maybe we should go negotiate.
Yeah, it's the old 205. This is the other Blazer we're grabbing. It's pretty darn rust free. Man, there's nothing. The floors are solid. Just surfaced here in the cab corner. The frame looks awesome.
Did you see we got a free cooler with it? It's pretty tight.
Yeah, gonna need that.
Let's hope she
Red
rolls.
seats. They'll need to be reupholstered to stay with the blue theme, but those ones are easy to do. Hopefully the brackets are there. There's seat belts. Hey, guess what I just found? Blue seat belts. I need them for my other one. Hey. All right, we need to get a jack from old buddy.
There's a lot of other folks out here today looking at some stuff. It's pretty cool. Great day to buy a car. They're super cool find. GMC something or rather. I could not tell you what it is, but I can tell you it's taller than me, so that's pretty cool. This is probably eye view. Definitely would need to use the steps. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. That's a new one that you can see, but everything else from a different era. So cool.